everyone. Welcome to my channel, Drawing for Kids. Enjoy for watching.
Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little
Let's learn to draw and color, my
Mary had
friends.
a little lamb, its fleece was white as snow. And everywhere that Mary went, Mary went, Mary went. And everywhere that Mary went, the lamb was sure to go. It followed her to school one day, school one day, school one day. It followed her to school one day, which was against the rules. It made the children laugh and play, laugh and play, laugh and play. It made the children laugh and play.
Wow.
To see a lamb at school.
Come on, let's make it thicker so that the picture is even better, my friends. Let's go.
So the teacher turned it out, turned it out, turned it out. And so the teacher turned it out, but still it lingered near. And waited patiently about, patiently about, patiently about. And waited patiently about till Mary did appear. Why does the lamb love Mary so, Mary so, Mary so? Why does the lamb love Mary so? The eager children cried. Why Mary loves the lamb, you know, lamb, you know, lamb, you know. Why Mary loves the lamb, you know. The teacher did reply. Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Mary had a little lamb, its fleece was white as snow. Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Mary had a little lamb, its fleece was white as snow. And everywhere that Mary went, Mary went, Mary went. And everywhere that Mary went, the lamb was sure to go.
Nice. It's time to color this picture, my friends. Let's go.
It followed
Orange.
her to school one day, school one day, school one day. It followed her to school one day, which was against the rules. It made the children laugh and play, laugh and play, laugh and play. It made the children laugh and play to see a lamb at school. And so the teacher turned it out, turned it out, turned it out. And so the teacher turned it out, but still it lingered near. And waited patiently about, patiently about, patiently about. And waited patiently about till Mary
Vermilion.
did appear. Why does the lamb love Mary so, Mary so, Mary so? Why does
Yellow.
the lamb love Mary so? The eager children cried. Why Mary loves the lamb, you know, lamb, you know, lamb, you know.
Orange.
Mary loves the lamb, you know. The teacher did reply.
Does anyone know what picture of this, my friends?
Mary had a little lamb, little
Yeah,
lamb,
that's right.
little
This is a
lamb.
pumpkin.
Mary had a little lamb, its fleece was white as snow. Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Mary had a little lamb, its fleece was white as snow. And everywhere that Mary went, Mary went, Mary went. And everywhere that Mary went, the lamb was sure to go. It followed her to school one day, school one day, school one day. It followed her to school school one day.
Wow,
It was
amazing.
against the rules. It made the children laugh and play, laugh and play, laugh and play. It made the children laugh and play to see a lamb at school. And so the
Turquoise
teacher
green.
turned it out, turned it out, turned it out, and so
Pumpkin.
the teacher turned it out.
Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.
Patiently about, patiently about, patiently about.